Hello all my crafty friends, welcome back to my channel. I finished another journal. It's Boho Princess and I used Took's Craft Table World Bazaar digital kit, which I love. It's a really large kit with beautiful digital pages, lots of tags and journaling cards and belly bands, all kinds of wonderful ephemera in that kit. This journal has 158 plus pages. It measures 9 by 6 with a 3-inch spine. There are 3 signatures. I used a lot of fabrics that I purchased from Jaya, Sari fabrics. They're beautiful, lots of bling. There are a lot of tags, cards, belly bands, lots of journaling space in this journal. And because it has a nice wide 3-inch spine, it lays really nice and flat. So let's open it up. I used some sari trim to make a little princess crown for the closure. Beautiful sari embellishment, applique, and a fun jingly gold coin trim. The cover, I did a fabric collage. That was a lot of fun to do. It's all sewn. It's a sewn collage. I love the sound it makes. This is a lot of fun, this journal. I love it. It also has a lot of ruffles and tabs, and also some journal jewelry. And I'll point that out as we go through the flip through. So like I said, it lays nice and flat. And I'll just do a quick flip through. There's lots of lace trim, coloring pages, writing pages, belly bands. I used coffee dyed paper. Did some stenciling. Here's some of the jewelry. This is authentic sari jewelry. I made a couple of little booklets that you get in the kit. So a lot of additional journaling spots. I backed the cards with coffee dyed paper. Pretty applique. One more coloring page. Bookmark. Lots of bling. Here's an over the page flip for additional journaling space. You can write inside. It's decorated on both sides, so it decorates the page on both sides. Some more trim applique. Beautiful journaling cards. Another applique. Some more sari. Lots of bling on this one. I love bling. It makes me happy. Lots of boho princesses. More jewelry. So pretty. I would love to wear sari dresses and outfits. So blingy, so my style. This is by Louisa Heinzel. It was a freebie. I just did a little collage. I love the butterflies, so I thought it went really well with this boho princess theme. Matches the pocket from the kit. Stenciling. We'll do the last signature, another belly band. Love this bling. I love her. She is so beautiful. Wow. Another booklet I made. Whoever gets this journal will be spending a lot of time journaling in it because there's so much room to journal in, which I love to do. I'm going to have to make one of these for myself. This will be listed on my Etsy shop. I will list a link below. Here's another applique, a little fabric flip, more appliques. And there we have it. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, and I'll see you again soon.